Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Cheyann. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this really cute and really simple curl to my pixie. And let me tell you, I am not a hair expert whatsoever. I'm not a hairstylist, but I did post a picture with these curls about a month ago on my Instagram, and y'all went nuts wanting to see a tutorial and wanting to know how I did this look. So if you want to see how I got this really cute and pretty simple pixie curl or wave to my pixie, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Alright guys, this has been one of my favorite hairstyles lately. It's pretty easy. I like kind of the messy hairstyle look lately now that my hair's short. When I had long hair, I didn't do my hair too much and I sucked really bad at my hair. But now that my hair is short, I feel like it's just a lot more fun to kind of play with. I posted a picture, I think it was this picture right here, on Instagram a couple days ago. Well, not days, it's been a couple weeks, but I posted it and you guys wanted a hair tutorial, so now we're here. This is my hair though, freshly washed. It is air dry. There's not a ton of volume to my hair. It's pretty stick straight. So what I like to do when it comes to curling or anything is I like to use a dry shampoo. This is the Charcoal with Citrus from Husk or Hask. This is what I use right here. I spray a lot of dry shampoo in my hair just so I can get that texture because my hair does not have any texture whatsoever. I want to protect my hair, so I like to go in after I use dry shampoo and before I do heat or anything and use a heat protectant. So I use the Tresemme Heat Tamer heat protectant. I like this stuff. It has a really nice smell to it. Then I just like to run my hands just right through my hair again. Once you've done your dry shampoo, your heat protectant, all those steps, now it's time to get ready to curl. I like to use the Revlon little, I think this is a 1/2 inch curling iron, so the barrel is super skinny. I do need to get a newer one that is a little better for hair and will protect it because I have noticed that this one will kind of fry your hair. I like to start with the under part of my hair, so I just like to clip everything that's kind of longer, clip it up, so just get it out of the way. I probably look like a crazy hot mess right now, but that is okay. For the underside, I don't take my hair and wrap it around and curl it. What I'll do is I'll take the clamp and just twist. So we'll just get it on here like this. And I like to keep a little bit of hair out so that way it's a little straight. Keep it on there for about 5 to 10 seconds and then you just release so you get kind of like this little tight little curl right here. I'm gonna do that around the whole part of my head, so I'll just show you one more time. You always wanna curl away from your hair, from your face, but you're gonna take a thinner piece of hair, and if this isn't perfect, that's okay. Like I said, I like the messier style, so everything won't be perfect and uniform. That's just what I like. So we'll take another piece of hair. All right, and then just hold it there. Like I said, for like 5 to 10 seconds. Alright. So then what I like to do is just go through it and just kind of twist. Sometimes you'll get little janky pieces like this one. So just go ahead and go right back through. Kind of straighten it. There we go. Then we'll hold it. There we go. Take these bad boys out, see where we're at. Okay, so here is what we have. So you can't really see the bottom parts curled like I told you, which is a good thing. So if it's messy, doesn't look too good, you're good to go. There we go, looking like a hot mess. So you want to hold it down, wrap it lightly, and you want to leave about an inch and a half of hair out at the end. Let it sit there. I like to kind of let it cool off in my hand to really hold the curl. And then, boom. Okay, so for the next section, since we're a little further away from the front of my face, I'm going to curl this in the opposite direction so that way the curls don't really stick together. So instead of curling it going like this away, we are going to curl towards. Same concept though, you want to keep a little bit of the hair out like I'm doing now, and then just hold it there for a minute. I like to kind of loosen it up halfway through, and then just let it go. Boom. So it looks a little funky. That is okay. So I like to twist, twist and leave, twist and leave. Okay, now that my hair is all curled, I'm gonna use a hairspray because my hair does not hold whatsoever in the Florida heat. So I use the Kevin Murphy bedroom hair. I like this stuff. It does have a weird little smell, but after hairspray, I go in just with a little like pomade. This is the Techniart Lumi Control Shine from L'Oreal. I love this stuff. If you have short hair or just stubborn hair, I suggest getting a little pomade. So just put a little bit on your fingers, and then you want to run this through your hair, and this gives it that piecey kind of party look. Not party, like party, woo! This is a look I've been wearing almost on a daily basis for the past month. You wanted to see this tutorial, so I hope you enjoyed it. This is the finished look. I absolutely love this hairstyle. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It looks really good the next day too when the curls are even looser. If you want to start seeing more hair tutorials like this one, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and I will create them for you because I've been having so much fun just playing with my hair now that it's at a length that I can really style it. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Love you, bye!